For utilization of our new 6445 PFAS filter, compatible with our electric water cooler, the outdoor bottle filler, and the RIVIVE product, you will need a new flow control for the system. Each filter will come with a new flow control and a key. To replace this, you simply insert the key into the existing flow control in the nozzle and twist. You can quickly identify the old flow control by the blue top and the new flow control by the white top. Simply take the new flow control, insert it into the nozzle, and reutilize the key to screw it in. After installation of the new flow control, you can then open up the bottom skirt of the fountain, install the PFAS filter, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at www.hawsco.com or call us at 1-888-640-4297.